Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the CEO of Basecamp. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever used Basecamp before? Basecamp is a project management software that's used by millions of people around the world. It's a great tool for keeping track of your tasks, deadlines, and files. If you've never used Basecamp before, I encourage you to check it out. It's a really powerful tool that can help you get more organized. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Who is the CEO of Basecamp? The CEO of Basecamp is Jason Fried. Jason is a co-founder of Basecamp and has been with the company since it was founded in 2003. He's a passionate advocate for productivity and simplicity, and he's written several books on the topic, including Getting Real, Rework, and Remote. Jason is also a well-known speaker and has given talks at conferences around the world. He's a highly respected leader in the tech industry and is known for his innovative thinking. So there you have it. The CEO of Basecamp is Jason Fried. Now that we know who the CEO of Basecamp is, let's take a closer look at his company. Basecamp is a privately held company that's based in Chicago, Illinois. It has over 100 employees and is used by millions of people around the world. Basecamp offers a variety of products, including Basecamp 3, Basecamp Pro, and Basecamp Help. Basecamp 3 is the company's flagship product and is a comprehensive project management tool. Basecamp Pro is a more affordable version of Basecamp 3 that's designed for small teams. Basecamp Help is a knowledge base that contains articles and tutorials on how to use Basecamp. Basecamp is a very successful company. In 2018, it was estimated to be worth over $1 billion. The company has also been named one of the best places to work in the United States. So what makes Basecamp so successful? There are a number of factors that have contributed to Basecamp's success. One of the most important factors is the company's focus on simplicity. Basecamp is designed to be easy to use and understand. This makes it a great choice for people who are new to project management. Another factor that has contributed to Basecamp's success is its focus on customer satisfaction. Basecamp has a team of dedicated customer support representatives who are always available to help users. Basecamp is also a very innovative company. The company is constantly coming up with new ways to improve its products and services. Overall, Basecamp is a great company with a bright future. I'm confident that it will continue to be a leader in the project management space for many years to come. Now that we've learned a little bit about Basecamp, let's take a closer look at Jason Fried. Jason is a very interesting person. He's passionate about his work and is always looking for ways to improve. He's also a very humble person and is always willing to help others. Jason is a great role model for anyone who wants to be successful in business. He's a hard worker who is always willing to go the extra mile. He's also a creative thinker who is always looking for new ways to solve problems. I've had the opportunity to meet Jason a few times, and I can tell you that he's a really great guy. He's very down-to-earth and easy to talk to. He's also very passionate about his work and is always happy to share his knowledge with others. If you're ever looking for someone to inspire you, I highly recommend checking out Jason Fried. He's a true leader and an inspiration to all of us. In addition to being a successful businessman, Jason is also a passionate advocate for remote work. He believes that remote work can be a great way to improve productivity and work-life balance. Jason has written extensively about the benefits of remote work. He's also a co-founder of Basecamp Remote, a company that helps businesses transition to remote work. I believe that Jason is right. Remote work is the future of work. It's a great way to give people more flexibility and freedom in their work lives. I also believe that Jason is a great role model for young people. He's a successful entrepreneur who has built a thriving company. He's also a passionate advocate for remote work and is helping to make the world a better place. I'm very grateful to have had the opportunity to learn from Jason. He's a true inspiration, and I'm sure that he will continue to make a positive impact on the world. In conclusion, Jason Fried is a successful businessman, a passionate advocate for remote work, and an inspiration to all of us. He's a true leader who is making a difference in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video about Jason Fried. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.